going on, guys? So as you can see behind me, yes, the Supra is finally home and I'm super excited. And in just a moment, I'm going to show you the most recent dyno run, and then I'm going to talk about the future plans. I'm going to go through all the vehicles, give you some updates on everything. But first, let's take a look at this engine bay. For those of you who have not followed along closely, the engine bay is freaking gorgeous. They did an amazing job. It is a built 3.4 with a 7275, and try to keep it real clean, just do the polished and wrinkle look, and I think it came out really awesome. Got the mechanical pump there, got everything polished on this side, got the coils up top, polished turbo, ceramic coated everything back there, titanium bolts on the manifold. Came out freaking awesome. But first, before I show the dyno run, let's get an update on everything else. Alright, the bike. Yes, the bike is for sale. It is a 2017 GSXR 1000 ABS model. When I got this thing, I had a bike 10 years ago. I really enjoyed riding. I enjoyed riding 10 years ago more than I enjoyed riding today. So I am going to put it up for sale. I just have a lot going on with the Supra and stuff, and that's going to be my main focus. But yeah, it's for sale for $13,000. So if you know anybody interested, it is 100% stock, other than an Arkapovic slip-on, and it only has 366 miles. So other than that, it's all stock. I come out here every once in a while and start it up. But yeah, that's an update on the bike. The bike is for sale, so if you know anybody interested, let them know. Alright guys, the Miata. If you haven't followed along with the Miata build, this has been my most favorite vehicle I've ever owned. It's a 97 NA. It was an M edition, and we got it as a complete car, chopped it up, threw an eBay turbo kit on there, and it's been the most fun thing I've ever driven. If you haven't followed the build closely, Trilogy Performance tuned it. It made almost 200 and 180 torque, which is way too much for the stock clutch. We took it out to FL2K. We had a lot of fun with it out there, and unfortunately it no longer has a clutch. So we're going to do clutch put in. After that, we'll take it back to Troy. He's going to dial it in, maybe turn the boost up a little bit now that it can hold some more torque. Once this stock motor goes, because it does have 250,000 miles, we'll throw some pistons and rods in it, turn it up, and have a ton of fun, man. So I tell people all the time, if you're looking for something cheap to build, easy to get parts, super fun, buy a Miata, cut it up, throw an eBay turbo kit on there, and you'll have a ton of fun. Alright, on to the GTI. As you guys know, I got rid of the toaster. I drove that thing for 2 years, had 80,000 miles. It was definitely time to get a new, nicer daily. I can just run through the quick little list of mods that I'm going to do. I'm going to tint the windows, which already are done, as you can see. I'm going to get, I think it's ECS Tuning, makes a flush kit for the wheels, just some spacers, make it look nice. I'm going to get a CTS Turbo cold air intake and just a catback exhaust for a little more sound, and then maybe an APR or a Unitronic. I really haven't decided. If you have any insight on that, let me know. I'll either go APR or Unitronic for the flash. We'll do the engine flash and the TCU flash. And other than that, I just want to wrap the top of the roof. For some reason, Volkswagen decided to do half the roof black and half the roof white, so I just want to wrap it and then just wrap it here to the spoiler, because if you look here, it also is black and it's super nice. So other than that, this thing has been great, but this thing's just going to get a couple minor little bolt-ons, and it'll be my daily for the long haul. It's perfect. All right, so now the part that you guys have all been waiting for. What I'm about to show you is the most recent dyno run. During this dyno run, we had a couple small boost leaks, one from the throttle body, one from the intercooler. We since corrected those issues. The car also needed 4 brand new tires and an alignment, so thanks to Brian, the plug at Pet Boys, I went there yesterday, got all 4 new tires, same tires I had before, got an alignment on the vehicle, and the vehicle drives amazing. The plan now is to go ahead and put some miles on it, get used to the vehicle. In about a week or so, bring it back to Alpha. He's going to street tune it, dial in the boost by gear, dial in the traction control, get everything all set up, and we'll put it back on the dyno. But for now, enjoy this most recent dyno run. Alright guys, so there you have it, 1,186 horsepower. Finally have a real 4-digit number car, and I'm so close to my goal of 1,200 horsepower. I'm super happy with those numbers, especially with the leaking throttle body and the leaking intercooler. I cannot wait to do some videos, show you guys what this thing can do. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.